Satya, what is that?
One jaggery and turmeric water.
For seed treatment.
Soaking, before sowing the seeds, at least 24 hours we need to soak in the water. Then
Thank you. Finally, farming is happening.
actually there is no use, but this coating is very hard.
Uh-huh.
So if we plant directly in the soil, it took long time for germination. So now it is take 2 or 3 days only we will get. For that reason only.
Okay.